Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I hate to do this, but this is part 5. After the gentleman asked me the question, and I made a video about how the reason you'd want these to look like this, I started thinking about that this is doing the same thing. We're going from a light to a dark, and it's going to be like a tunnel. So why don't we just do them the same? Because we're doing them separated. So let's just get rid of these lines. We don't need them anymore if you didn't watch the other part. So these are all, I haven't grouped these together. When you contour something, it's got to be grouped if you're going to do them all at one time. So now we're going to go from a black color at, to the center at 0.001 to a light color on both of them before we went to the opposite. Now, if we move these over, they're going to look more like wire, and that wire is just indented. So it's going to be a, if I explained in the other video, there's really no way to get rid of this edge here, but it could be where the wire cutters cut the wire too. But they're going to both look more like wires when we do that. And then if we add our 3D wire barb to it, and we'll go ahead and do one, left click, right click, and make it something less than a hairline or more than a hairline, and just do the same thing. It's going to have to be grouped together for this to work. As soon as we do that, it opens up. So now we have a 3D barb. I think I had my nudge factor set on 20 when I moved that out of the way, and move that back, and then set it back on 2 to move these over. I think it's going to look more authentic like it is now, with the exception, we're going to have to take this wire and go to Object and go Order Back a Page to get that to show up. I think this is going to be the best way to do it. It's going to look more like bob wire. And then just, I'd play around with these, angles and, make it move them around, whatever. And then don't forget to turn this all into a bitmap. Anyway, just another idea. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.